Hello guys, if you are someone who has never made $1 online, then this is the best video for you. Keep watching this video till the end because I'm gonna tell you a really interesting way to make some awesome money online. And before we jump into the content, I would like to share with you a plug and play affiliate marketing system which I am personally using, and it is generating me sales every single day. So if you want this system, check out the first link in the description. So now after this, let's get started into the content. So it's a really simple thing which you need to do, and a very simple skill which most of the people who are watching my video are having. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you just need to open your computer. Okay, the second step is that you just need to go to this website which is known as obsproject.com, and you need to download this software which is known as OBS Studio, which is a screen recording software. Okay, so this is the particular software which I am personally using to record my screen now. Okay, so this is the software and this is how the software looks. Okay, it's really easy to use this software, almost even a kid can do it. Okay, so all you need to do is go to Google, search for some of the OBS Studio tutorials, and you will learn that how to set up OBS Studio, and that's done for you. Okay, so now you have set up OBS Studio for yourself, and now the second step is that once you have got it, now the second step is that you just need to check out this particular YouTube channel. Let me tell you what this YouTube channel does. So this is the YouTube channel which teaches you basically how to use PowerPoint. Okay, so most of the people of you know how to use PowerPoint, because if you are working in an office or if you are working somewhere, or even most of the people are taught how to use PowerPoint in schools. Okay, that's the reason why most of the people find it really simple and easy to use PowerPoint, and that's the reason why you can just use your skill of how to make a PowerPoint presentation and teach that particular skill to people. Okay, so this is what this guy does. Okay, this guy is just doing that. He is teaching people how to use PowerPoint. All he is doing is that opening his PowerPoint, okay, and making something, or sorry for that, or teaching some skill, and you can see that he is just recording his screen and he is representing everything whatever he is doing, just giving a very simple voiceover, just telling people whatever he is doing and how he is making the presentation. And you can see that he has got a lot of subscribers, that is more than 100,000 subscribers on his channel. His channel is monetized. That's the reason why he is firstly making money through AdSense, as well as when we open his video, for example this one, so he is also basically teaching other softwares, okay, like the Word and all that, and that's really simple. Okay, so you can see that he is here promoting his own course, okay, which is related to PowerPoint. Okay, so you can also do this stuff. You can also make your own course. Okay, and the thing is that it's really simple, and if you want to do that, it's really simple, because all you need to do is show people some tricks about PowerPoint software, and you can just make a course just by recording your screen. Okay, and you can then sell that course on websites like udemy.com, and you can also provide the courses link in the description of this type of particular videos, and you can start making money just by selling your courses which is related to particular product, for example PowerPoint, for example Microsoft Word, anything whatever you know about, and whatever you can make videos very easily. Okay, so you can just go to this website which is known as teachable.com, and what you can do is that you can make your entire course, and then you can just sell your course on this website. You can host your course on this website, and the thing is that then what you can do is that you have uploaded your entire course on this website. All you need to do is take your course and provide its link in the description of this type of videos which you are making, and you can see that a lot of people are interested in learning PowerPoint, and they are also interested in buying some of the courses. So you can sell your courses with this type of YouTube channel. You can earn money through Google AdSense, and that's something which is really crazy. And the third thing is that you can upload your same course to this website which is known as udemy.com, as well as start selling your courses on this website. As well as you can also do is that you can become the partner for Udemy as an affiliate, and you can promote various courses of Udemy. Okay, so all you need to do is just become an affiliate for Udemy, and you can just sell other people's courses and get an affiliate commission for that also. So this is the entire strategy, this is the entire business model which you can build up just by using this very simple platform, which is YouTube, and a very simple program which is Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Word, whichever you know the best. And in this way you can start generating a ton of income for yourself just by teaching the basic skills to other people which you are already having. And this is something which most of the people of you will be able to do. Okay, this is not very difficult or rocket science stuff. Okay, this is something which is really simple and really easy, and most of the people will be able to do this and make some awesome money with this. I think most of the people fail because they never take action. But if you are not someone who is gonna take action, then you are probably gonna earn a lot of money with this very simple strategy. Okay, and this strategy can even make you tons and tons of money. All you need to do is pay attention and just think of a long run, that YouTube, if you are going to come to YouTube for your business, it's a long term game. So just plan yourself that you are gonna give 1 year of your time to this, and you can really make a big business out of it. So all you need to do is invest your time and you can start making money with this. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and also press the bell notification so that you will get notified every time I come up with this new awesome videos for you every single day. So you can also check out the other videos on the channel. They will also provide you a ton of money on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and all that very simple awesome stuff. So do check all those out, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is there in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.